Today, we're taking a look at the multifunction Stalks from Moza Racing. This accessory is designed to complement the recently launched Truck Sim wheel. It has heaps of programmable switches that lets you control things like wipers, lights, cruise control and indicators. In the package, you'll find the multifunction Stalks, and these are built with automotive grade levers and components, making them just like the real thing. There's also a quick release hub extender that's used to space out the steering wheel, and this part includes a tab attached on the side that's used for automatically resetting the indicators. You get a USB-C cable for connecting to a PC, a metal mounting bracket, and all the necessary mounting hardware and tools for installation. Taking a closer look at the multifunction Stalks, we have plenty of controls with a total of 28 assignable functions, including a mix of momentary and non-momentary switches. So a momentary switch works by activating a function when pressed, then automatically returning to its default position, similar to the switches on this lever, or just like pressing a key on a keyboard. Whereas a non-momentary switch is like a latching on-off switch where it toggles between two positions and stays set until it's manually moved back, just like the outer switch on this lever. So on the end of the left stalk, we have a 3-position non-momentary switch for the lights. Moving in, we find a momentary rocker that can be operated from either side of the lever. And there's a push and pull momentary function on the lever that can be used for flashing lights or high beam headlights. On the same lever, we find the left and right turn signals, and these are activated by pushing up or down on the lever. Now, when these are switched on, a small tab extends on the inside of the unit, and together with the tab on the quick release extender, this is used to reset the indicators. The lower left stalk is labelled for cruise control, and on this lever we find a momentary switch, momentary pull lever, and momentary up and down. All of these can be used to set and adjust the cruise control or any other functions. The final stalk on the right side has a non-momentary on-off switch, and at either side of this, at the top and bottom, there's a momentary switch. Moving in on the lever, we find a non-momentary rocker switch with 5 positions, and just like the left side switch, this can be operated from either side. Then we have a momentary down and pull in towards the driver on the lever, and 3 non-momentary switch positions intended for the wipers. On the side of the housing, we find the USB-C port for connection to a PC, allowing the Stalks to function just like a plug-and-play button box. Now for the setup, we start by attaching the quick release hub extender to the wheelbase, which will position the steering wheel out further, and it gives us space to install the multifunction Stalks. On the front of the multifunction Stalk, we have a removable metal plate that's held on with magnets. Lifting off this plate, we find the mounting holes that are used to connect it to a wheelbase or bracket. Now there's 2 main mounting methods for Moza wheelbases. If you have a newer version of the R9, R12, R16 or R21 with 4 front mounting holes, the multifunction Stalk is installed by using the included standoff bolts that are bolted directly to the wheelbase. For earlier versions without the front mounting holes, including the R3, R5, R9 and R12, the multifunction Stalk is mounted first to the included bracket, and then this is bolted to the top of the wheelbase with 2 screws. Now if you're using the truck mount bracket with the wheelbase inverted like this R5 base, the multifunction Stalks are also inverted, so only 1 bolt is attached from the front, and a second smaller bolt is installed through the back of the bracket and into the back of the multifunction Stalk to secure them together. The bracket then attaches to the top of the wheelbase, and it has adjustment slots if you need to fine-tune the position. Now while the Stalks are designed to match the 400mm Truck Sim wheel, you could also use them with other wheels, like this ES hub with a 12-inch round wheel, which is a bit smaller in diameter but can still work. The Stalks are plug and play, and these are connected with a single USB-C cable that plugs into the side of the device and into a PC. This allows them to be set up quickly and work just like a button box. So depending on the game, we can set up the levers to control different functions, and in ETS2, It's recognised as a joystick, and we need to select the multifunction stalk in the control menu before binding the functions. As most game functions are for momentary switches rather than non-momentary switches, we'll need to be a bit creative on how to use these stalks. For example, if we try to assign the lights to the outer switch on the stalk to turn them on or off, it doesn't quite function as expected. So what I found works best for now, until there's a game update, is to bind the lights to cycle on and off with the momentary dial and the high beams assigned to the stalk. The left and right indicators are set to the left top stalk, and when it's in use, these will automatically reset with the tab on the quick release. Although in ETS, these digitally reset in game when the steering wheel recenters. So sometimes when driving, you might notice they stay on longer or shorter when the lever is cancelled. With all momentary functions on the lower stalk, the cruise control is the easiest to configure, allowing you to use the outer momentary dial to turn on and off the cruise control, and the up and down lever to increase and decrease speed. For the wipers, you can set the up position to increase the speed and down to decrease. Again, all of these can be set up and configured to what you prefer. Driving with the truck wheel, the multifunction stalks feel comfortable to use, look good, and match the truck wheel perfectly. Hopefully we see an update from the game developers to add switch options or additional inputs for the assignable controls, so we can get the most out of the non-momentary switches on the stalks. With the stalks installed, it's so much more fun driving, and along with the larger truck wheel, it adds to the immersion, making it feel like you're driving a real truck.